Fight like brand new. Let it jump on, let it. Check it out, baby. Don't say look here for a second, you wanna holler at you. Hell no, I wanna holler at no motherfucking trick. He all over there smelling like boom and Hennessy and shit. Hell no. Say what you got. Hold up, bitch. Hold up, bitch. Hold up, bro. Places I've been, full of made back then. 5 or 6 best friends. Pull up in the coupe, bad bitches, my niggas wanna shoot. Down payment on my wrist, quick pay tuition. Rawmatic with the juice, used to chill with the weed. Fuck a room, I want the booth. Cabanas on the roof, bandanas on my truth. Do say diamond too. skirt off top, I'm the best, no props. Make this motherfucker hot, pop that pussy, don't stop. Yeah. Floss like me, boy like me, superstar like me. Icy like me, nigga get robbed me. In the place that five, six, best.
Yeah, he trying to jump on and out for a minute.
Yeah, that power wash.
Yeah. Okay.
Extra for the big body. Let me
there, man.
4EM audio Super Team 15 on 2 Ruthless 10Ks.
Man, what EM audio are those?
Super Team.
Super Team 15. The big, largest ones they got.
850 ounce.
Yeah, the big heavy ones.
If you touch the motors right now, you'll feel
cold. How many watts do those take?
15 demos.
Back to back.
Back to back to back.
I didn't feel no heat coming out, so I knew they couldn't get hot.
I've gotten them up to about 110 degrees.
No problem.
That's about it.
That's a 4-inch coil?
4-inch coil, 8K RMS.
That's wild. What kind of power are you running back there?
It's the 2 Ruthless 10Ks for now.
Oh yeah.
It's breaking in.
You gonna
brand new.
You gonna add some more?
I'll get 2 more 10Ks.
What's the next show you going to?
Next show will be Made of Steel.
Okay, I'll see you down there.
And I'll have all 4 10Ks in by then.
We're gonna do it again.
And yesterday I did a 57.3 at 17.
Oh, you playing low. 53.
Oh, that was 20 to 23. Or no, 20 to 22.
I didn't have no problems in here, it didn't seem like. You know, I figured somebody rattled loose or something. I couldn't leave without letting you get it right.
Yeah, she's so violent, she's taking apart every fucking thing.
I see that. How do you keep the voltage up so high?
It's just...
One alternator?
One alternator. My bank is... I'm just running basically It's Donald's version of a 90 amp hour C-Max.
Yeah.
And these things, they're 20K on it right now, and
Man, it stayed up there. It stayed up there the whole time. JS alternator, what kind of alternator?
Ohio generators.
Ohio.
That alternator's been on my truck since 2015.
Oh, that's a long time. Still running strong.
As you see.
Oh, yeah. Man, let them know they can follow you on social media. Are you online?
Cory'S on Facebook, on damn near every social media.
Okay.
Cory'S, EM Audio, you'll notice my truck.
Y'all know I'll tag them down below. It's good seeing you, brother. We'll do it again later still, man.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you.